Hello student, today we will do question number 9 from exercise 6.2 NCERT math books class 12, class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, we have to find find ABCD is a trapezium in which ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium in which AB parallel DC, this is parallel, and its diagonal intersect each other at point 4. So that we have to put this AO to prove AO by BO is equal to CO by D. Construction. Parallel to CD and AB. We will draw here parallel line. This is the OB. Now in triangle A D C, OE parallel BC. Therefore, AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. This is 1. Now in triangle ADB, OE parallel AB. Therefore, by PPT, this is OE parallel. So AE divided by ED is equal to OB divided by OD by PPT. This is second. Now here from 1 and 2 we get this is equal AE by ED, and this is also AU by ED. So therefore AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. So if we will change, OC will come this side, so this will multiply and OB will come down. We can write this AO divided by OB or BO is equal to OC or CO, we can write, divided by D. Proof. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care.